Hey guys, thank you for joining us again. Today we're going to show you the reason you should always pay shop premiums for better quality installation than something that is done quickly. So in this case we have a customer who had an LED installed, not sure by who. A nice LED under the dash, changed the colors, but as we can see the wires are all ran outside. They taped the wire with duct tape or something here to connect. Obviously it's not powered and clean, it's all sitting here. It does do the job, it turns on, but how does it look? And what about every time when you get in with your leg you can take it off? That's the reason this one fell off, because the wire every time got stuck in the customer leg. Now worst problems is many times you cannot find those installers that come to your house, they do a quick job, and when there's an issue there's no chance you're gonna find them. Some shops will do the same thing. Unfortunately, not everybody is giving you the best deal. So again, pay premium prices to get the job done, or you might look like that. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Thank you and have a good day.